Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is going to be on this purple glitter cut crease. I did use the Morphe 35B palette, and I am aware that this palette is discontinued, but if you guys have the James Charles palette, that palette would definitely work. Or you could just use light eyeshadows that you have already in your collection. And if you don't like glitter, you can go ahead and skip the step where I add the glitter. The look will look just as good without the glitter. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And I did forget to include the clip of me adding my eyeshadow to my lower lash line, but I will show you guys what eyeshadow I did use. So let's go ahead and get into this look. Okay, we're starting off with this pinkish purple shade, and I'm placing that into my transition area. Now I'm using this purple in my crease. Of course, I go back with previous brushes to help blend everything. Next, I'm using this dark purple in my crease and outer V. And I'm taking my time, packing that color on and blending it out. To prevent any harsh lines, I always go back with previous brushes to blend everything. Now I'm cutting my crease. This frosty lilac shade, I'm going to place that onto my lid. You want to blend out your outer V and where your lid shades meet. I could have blended mine a bit more, but I didn't. Now I'm using this glitter by Revlon, and I'm patting that all over my lid. I use this color for my lower lash line, and I put on mascara, wing liner, and lashes. Here's the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Also, go ahead and tell a friend to come on over to my channel and hit that subscribe button as well. And bye guys.